Struggling to read your favorite books because the Books app can't access your library on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video, I'm here to help you fix that issue so you can dive back into your reading. Let's jump right in and get started. Solution 1. Log out and log into iCloud. First open the Settings app, then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, tap the Sign Out button. Then select Sign Out in the upper right corner. Next, confirm by tapping Sign Out here. Once you're signed out, you'll be back in the settings menu. Tap on your Apple ID again. Then just sign back into your Apple account however you prefer. Finally, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open the Settings app, then scroll down the list. Tap on General. Now scroll down again. After that, select iPhone Store. Look for the Books app in the list. Tap on Offload app. Then confirm by tapping Offload app again. Finally, tap on Reinstall app. Solution 3. Enable iCloud syncing. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, tap on iCloud. After that, tap on See All. Now find iCloud Drive and toggle it on. Then go back to the previous page. Scroll down and locate Books in this list. Next, toggle it on. Now return to the main settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on App. Next, select Books. Now scroll down a bit until you reach the syncing section. From here, toggle on Home and iCloud Drive syncing. Finally, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Uninstall or reinstall Books. For this solution, open Settings again and tap on General. Now go to your iPhone store and find the Books app and tap on it. Finally, after that, tap on Delete app. Then confirm by tapping Delete app again. Now close Settings, then open the App Store. Search for Apple Books, then download it again. Finally, this issue should be gone. So there you have it. That's how to fix the problem of the Books app not accessing your library on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.